Hey, hi everyone. So today we are meeting for our next session on Lamatic on how you can build an chatbot using an Lamatic AI. So it is a session on very basic thing from like if you are a beginner or just starting out in the AI space. So it will be a really beginner friendly session where you can expect to be like if you are just getting started in your college or you are in a full stack developer or something, then as a beginner started in the AI sector, you can start building agents like very easy way using a Lamatic. So our speaker Nikhil Bhutani will explain you on like how you can build this chatbot. So let me first share my screen. So yeah, welcome everyone again. So our today's speaker is Nikhil Bhutani. He will be speaking on from prompt to product, building an AI chatbot with Lamatic. So Nikhil is an AI ambassador on Lamatic and also an monster technical lead at Neosoft. Uh, so yeah, Nikhil will start in 2 minutes. Uh, so yeah, stage is yours, Nikhil. Now you can start the session.
Yeah, hi everyone. Yeah, good evening. Hope you are all going doing good. Yeah, many of people are still joining, so thanks. And first of all, I want to thank you. I want to thanks to Reeds, Aman, Charles. Yeah, so hope my screen is visible. So yeah, before we starting, I want to thanks to all of you once again who will join this time. I know many of are still just came from the office in India, and if somewhere join from the like Singapore, so yeah, thanks again. So yeah, as Harsh said, my introduction, but before we started, like I'm also sharing my intro, uh, right? So yeah, I'm Nikhil Bhutani. Currently working as a Munstech technical lead at Newsoft. And yeah, meanwhile, I'm also a crew member of GDG Ahmedabad, as well as I'm running a community which is JavaScript Gujarat. So I'm also co-founder of JS Gujarat, and currently I'm yeah, since 6 months I joined as a AML ambassador at Lamatic. So yeah, that's my intro, and I have basically 5+ years of experience in Node, Python, and many of, and currently exploring this AI. Right, so exploring the LLM and other things, and day by day I am continue with AI tools. Right. So yeah, not much take time. Not much take time. It will just a minute. Yeah. So let me start. Yeah, as you all of you know about the from product to prompt to product. So basically, like in this journey, all are working in a prompt every day, day by day. Everyone can do the prompt, right? So basically, like before we going to further, I have a question like I can see in the chat, like how many of you are using chat gpt in day by day? because the current reality, if you can see, like everyone is using AI tools, Chat GPT, Claude, Gemini, right? So, like all time, there is a high across every industry and terms, and yeah, day by day there is a new AI tool it's coming, right? So yeah, basically most of people are stuck in at prompt level. Like is I am thinking like I am writing a best prompt, right? But it's just a starting, like the real values in what you build actually and what you get output, right? So for that, again, today is our topic, like how if we can write a prompt and it will real product, right? So what's the difference behind the prompt and product? So as you know, like every day you are run you are writing a prompt like I want to create a one web application using like in a month stack. So you are particular specific specification, and you can share with the chat gpt, gemini, or any of the AI tool, right? Any of the AI model. But the thing is, as you see, like what's the difference behind a prompt and product, right? So basically there is no any memory, no any logic, and no deployments. You can just write the prompt only, right? So there's the like different, like we can write only logic, right? Yeah, based on requirement we can explain the logic via prompt. But what a real product do? So you can see here, like my workflow, like if I have created one product, then it will be kind of the experience, right? So what product can do? So before that, you need to like there is one structure, right? You can provide one structure input, then you can do proper flow. You can make it a proper flow, then you can deploy, right? So after that, you can feel like it will be create a one actual product, right? So what actually need is as I said here, like you need to structure pipelines. What every day I face as a developer, I face every day like repeatable work. How can I reduce my work, right? So it's a repeatable uh, and real world use cases, like you can solution support research automation, right? And then you can from prototype to production. So as you know, many of developers are doing a design or via anti-gravity or google streets or any of the thing. But how it's a live endpoint made, right? So let's do. But before going to the demo, and as you see my title, like from prompt to product, right? So using Lamatic. So I want to know in the chat, like how many of you know about Lamatic, how it will work actually. Let me see in the chat. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So basically, what Lamatic do? So as you can see in my slide. So yeah, let me some brief about it. So basically, Lamatic, it's like help with us a flow prompt, right? Then you all know about LLM, how LLM into work, how LLM it's work. So basically, Lamatic is a visual workflow builder. Then you can connect your data API and you can build logic, like how it will be triggered via third API. So you can also connect a live source as well, and then you can deploy it. So I am just reviewing this, like if I can open it, right? So how Lamatic work? You can also visit this slide as well. right? Okay, here you can see one of the tool. It's a studio of Lamatic.a. So you can just see this UI, right? And there are many of the there are many of the features available in Lamatic. So if you have a time, then you can also visit it, like flows, prompt, data, and in the connection you can also see the models, how many models available, and how you can connect with the MCP integrations, right? So that kind of work do the Lamatic AI. Okay. Now, how the LLM work? As I told, it's basically like everyone know about the LLM, right? So if you can enter the like any of the input, then how it work? It will do a processing, and then after like execution time, so you can get the output. So basically, every LLM follows the core loop, right? So that's the main thing is your context. Like if you write a prompt and anything, but the tool or the LLM need to understand the context, right? So yeah, uh, now the thing, like from prompt to product flow, right? So basically what I will do here. Okay, so like I have one idea. So I just thought like I want to make one chatbot. Like if I go any of the city and I am new for that city. Like I can take one example. It's Mumbai, right? But now I want to explore the city and place, right? So that the thing. So for that, today I will take one example, and we can show it's a live demo, right? So what I will do here, one of the my idea. So you need to define the one problem and use cases. Then I will write a prompt, like how it will be doing the testing, and then what exactly workflow, like how Lamatic its work. So it will be like whenever you add your memories and logics, right? So it will be stored, and then how I can get the output, right? So basically let's try let's start one the demo, right? So here you can see many of the flow we can make, right? But here I have a step like create. So here I can go here I can go with the flow. So how basically flow its work, as I told, it's default. You can see the name, but currently I'm doing just like City Explorer chatbot, right? So I just added the this one, and if you can like if you want to add any of the tags, like city or city or any of the things, and then you can add. But now it's optional for everyone. So I just create the flow. So I just click it. Okay. Yeah, so it will take some time. Now you can see the UI here. So after I created the flow, you can see here it's a City Explorer chatbot. So I just came, and it's enable and disable, like no trigger, not found, get support, right? You can see. Okay, let me create a new one. City Explorer. Okay. Yeah, so we'll take a tokens, and now you can just choose the trigger. So you can see here many of the apps whichever you can use the daily basis, like Gmail, Notion. So you can just connect with that, right? But here you can see like built-in, there is a cron API request. So basically all the JavaScript developers or any of like backend devs know core JavaScript, right? So what I do now, so I need to do create a one chatbot, right? So for that, I can just, yeah, you can also create your custom AI as well, custom AI, and as well as you can also choose the template from the Lamatic. But currently, I am just uh, I just click on chat trigger. Here you can see there is the pop-up receive user message from embedded chat widget. So just I click on it. So hope you all know about this. Like it will work or say, similar like N10 and Mac, right? So basically, uh, yeah, here I can just click on. So you can just see chat widget. There is the config schema locks and row, right? So how row now visible? There is the one of the Lamatic bot name. It's a Lamatic bot. Like you can also add a static whichever you want to see, right? But before that, I am going the config. So you can see there is the here is the Lamatic bot, right? So I need to configure it. But before that, here you can see the plus icon, right? So basically if I know is it if I want to do like I want to know about Mumbai, right? So Mumbai, it's my input, right? So for that, here I just click on the plus icon. So you can just see there is a generate text, MCP, and many of the like you can generate JSON and image, right? So here available all the things as well as the data, logic, apps, right? So everything available in the Lamatic. But currently I just do the simple demo, right? So here I just click on generate text. So you can see here add one trigger, right? So what it will be do? Like here I just took the chat widget, and then AI generated text, and then it will return a response, right? Now in the generate text, you can see what exactly a config here, right? So here is the two model like in the you can see a config and logic, right? So in the config, I just like I already before the session I already taken one key. So yeah, obviously you need to add. So I have taken a Gemini key. So right, I just given a one name, and here you can see there is a all model available, right? So currently I just selected it's Gemini 2.5, right? And also you can see the variables. Okay, so yeah, I just sorry, I just create selected it. Now you can see the system. So yeah, it's basically you can just say in the system design. So I just click on that. Now you can see this tool, this UI. So write your prompt here, right? So before that, I already click on that. Now here you can see the inputs, right? So for that you need to add the message, right? So here you can see if I can here you can see the blank array. Okay, so what you do, like you need to add your inputs, right? So I just click on here, like type in the input to open variable selector. So I just click here, chat widget already selected, and here I can just select the chat message, right? But what exactly you need to do, like here as a user, like if I am right, tell me about any of the city, right? So for that you can also select here and you can add a chat message, right? So you can get here, I have just added the chat message, whatever whichever I want to add, right? So here I can add a chat history. Why chat history? So basically, like if I can't do it this, so you all are doing this one, it's every day, like you just write the prompt, so that things it's completed. But what exactly Lamatic do, which I already told you, uh, like now here you can see the memory, right? So I want to, like here you can see LLM, right? So already LLM is added, and LLM like can save the memories, right? So that's why I added here. Now if you can write any of the thing, like you are an AI assistant or something, so you can do anything. Now I can just do a test, right? Yeah, so you can see here pop up like one node to be tested, right? So basically, if you can see, whenever I just edit the flow, and after that I just click on I just edit the chat widget, right? So I just already I got it. Now I can just do the testing it. So yeah, it will do start the test. But you can see here chat widget, if I can do test this node, then generate text, then chat response, right? So basically, if you can run it, yeah, basically, like you can see here, I can see the Lamatic bot. So yeah, here is the Lamatic bot, and just I can write. Yeah, before that I just close it, and it's a save. Okay. Yeah, sorry, actually it's not configured, so I want to just configure it in the chat response. So in the response, I just click, like whenever I got any of the thing, like after generated text, right? So after enter the input, then I will expect the output, right? So I missed it, but now it's the chat response. I just selected the chat, whichever generated response which I can get, right? So now it will be work, right? So now let me just test it. Yeah, it's a now you can see test payload required, like please provide, you can see please provide a payload before running the test, right? So here you, as you can see here, I made a chatbot, right? So now I just let him, like, hey, I am Nikhil, now tell me about Mumbai. So you can see the LLM, just I added the inputs, and the LLM can check. Now it will be do a process, right? And here you can see there is the chatbot, there is no valid response found, a workflow result, right? So basically, like I need to check it once. Basically, what is Lamatic? Let's see what it will be given the output. Yeah, it's null. Okay, I just save. Okay, let me see. Yeah, there is the reference. Hmm? Okay, let we can debug it. First, the chat response. I provided it. Okay, it's debug. I just generated the response. Yeah, it takes now. Yeah, it's content. Please make sure. Okay. Yeah. So here you can see is yeah, you can see generate text, and here I just added tell me about. Yeah, please make sure input token to provide it. Yeah. Okay. I think it will take time in that. So let me just test it again. Like whenever a bot will not given the output, then you can see here as well. Right. Okay. Okay. Uh, yeah. Just a minute. Okay. Let me do. Uh, tell me about. Wait. Yeah, it's some. Okay. Node response trigger, but yeah, it will get a null. So I can just reset it. Okay, just it's typing, uh, and let we can see. Then once again we need to check generate text how it will be get. Okay, there is no result found. Let me check. Yeah, error found. Let me check in logs. Okay, error in running. Oh, yeah. So basically, here we can get the output. Error in running LLM agent. Basically, it's in error. Like, yeah, it's every time I just run it the model. So basically, it's expecting many of the demand, right? Okay. Just a minute. Let's we can do run this. Okay. Let me change the model here first. Okay, here I am just adding the add new. Okay. Yeah, I already edit. So let me just go to the back. Yeah. So here, let me just select this one, and now I can just try to taste it, because already I have used my model today many of time. So let me just check it. Hey, I am Nikhil, and tell me about Mumbai. Yeah, so you can see taste successful. Now it will save the memories. I'm just telling it. Yeah, so meanwhile, yeah, it's thinking, and now you can see. So basically, like I have tried, like I already before this session, I have tried with the demo, right? So I have used many times my key. So yeah, sometime it's happened, but I just change the model here, right? So here you can see what I got the response. Basically, hello Nikhil, it's great to meet you, Mumbai. So regarding Bombay, I can see everything like economic hub, and you can see like cultural diversity, Bollywood. Yeah, Mumbai is also famous for Bollywood, like every Bollywood's home in the Mumbai, right? So how like food? So Mumbai is famous for street food and including the vada pav. Yeah. So that like context I got, right. So now what exactly Lamatic did here? So this content I want to like save, like the memory is saving, right? Basically in the Lamatic. So now here you can see, like if you have specification or topic related to Mumbai that you had like to know about, feel free to ask. So let me try, and like any of the audience you want to ask, then please share the question so I can try it here as well, right? So now just I'm typing like nearby Borivali. I want to find hotel list, right? So let's try what exactly context it save, and now it will give the output or not, right? And yeah, excluding this, like if you can enter any of the like input out of the context, then it will not give a specific output, right? Yeah, here you can see. So as I see, as I tried with the Borivali Mumbai hotels, right? So here I can see Hotel Royal Castle, then Hotel Vikram, Hotel Sea Sands, right? And the Lalit Mumbai, a five-star hotel located in short distance from Borivali. Yeah, so that's the good. And so this is also a memory save. Like yeah, you can see the chat response. Okay, so basically once prompt, and in the prompt like I can get the my chatbot, and I can get the result as well. Right, budget hotel, like what I have budget, it's a 500, 1000. So it will also give the answer. You can also try uh, with that, right? Okay. So also here I put three common things, like if you can if you want to regarding Lamatic, like how do I add my data into chatbot. So let's try this one as well. But yeah, before that, if you can enter any of the input excluding this context, then it will not give a proper output, right? So for that you can use the logic as well. Okay, so let's try. So basically, like every day you are writing the prompt, yeah, it simply get the output and execution, right? So here I have one idea. Yeah, here you can see I just clear it's a previous one. Okay, how do I add my data? So here also again it's came same data, right? If you not needs for specific details or recommendation, so you can also ask. So that's like it will work. And once again, if you want to reset it, then also it will work from previously, and it will be hide the like delete the history as well. So yeah, uh, here also like same the things. You can also check the logs as well, like what I added, node output, and what I got here. So also, you can check in the row, like how much token it will be used, right? So there is the thing. And yeah, one thing like that's you can see what I applied. So here it's our demo. It's a simple, but yeah, simple, it's like now it's a product, right? So that's the work doing using the Lamatic. Okay, but here what uh, yeah, like if you have anything questions, then you can just put in the inbox, right? Yeah. So also you can see what we do here. Like here, what I had an idea, then what I paste the prompt, and what actually workflow work, like from chat widgets and generate and this, right? But yeah, as you see, the product is made, but how can see my product in the market as well, right? So for that, you can see here, like if you can configure your GitHub as well. If you, yeah, you all know GitHub account, so you can also connect the GitHub account as well with the Lamatic. But here you can see there is the API docs as well. What we did actually, like wipe code prompt, right? So you can see Lamatic chatbot and what widget integration script. So you can see here the script as well, how its API works, and also you all know the API API playground. So you can see the docs as well, and you can also try it. But before going forward, you can see our product is ready, right? So now I want to just deploy it. So here you can see there is the icon pending deployment, right? So yeah, there is a many of the flow are still pending, but I want to this like I want to deploy this flow and this product. So you can just click on deploy, right? So what's my purpose for the deployment? So you can just add anything like which is related. So I can just write like helping to other people as well, like other people also can check my agent as well, and he will also give a prompt, and he will get the history as well. So here explorer ct purpose chatbot. And before that, here you can see which flow you want to deploy. So you can just select it, right? And you can also add the description, but it will be optional. So you can just click on the deploy. Okay, yeah, you can see there is deploy your project. So yeah, it's kind of the CI/CD work. So yeah, it's a setting up jobs, and then it will connect with the webhooks. It will check the webhook and how it will make the my URL. So is Vercels and any of the tools is work. So same things it will be work. But yeah, it will take 1 to 2 minutes. So after webhook check, it will do its deployment as well. So yeah, you can see what we did actually. It done the product, and you can see the deploy as a chatbot or API live, right? So yeah, here it's already deployed. Yeah, product deployed, right? And it's also completed. Okay, so here you can see the link as well. Okay, so now if I will share my link to anyone, then anyone can use it and anyone can check it, my agent as well, right? So yeah, that's the demo which I have done, right? But uh, before before over to hers, just sharing this, like what actually architecture work here is a user. We did send request, and what Lamatic flow work, it will take a context and save the memories, right? And then LLM it calls, whichever we added the here, generate after generate text to chat response. So LLM basically process and return response, and whichever we get the response, it will deliver to user. So it will work like that. And yeah, use cases like whichever we build. So yeah, already this we already covered it, like memory and context. So yeah, basically it will do a conversation across the turns, then workflow logic. Yeah, it will work. It's a conditional and branching, right? And after that you can, as I just click on deploy, so yeah, you can see your live endpoint. So, what exactly key takeaways? What we did learn? So, yeah, you can just think think it workflow, not a prompts. Prompts we are doing every day. So basically, generative AI we are do, but how your prompt like structureize, so it will follow your project structure and any of the things. So do not repeatable work, right? And focus on the real use cases. So like every project have actual problem, so how we can do a problem to product with the proper solutions. So yeah, you can also check the Lamatic and build and ship with the Lamatic. Like you can just experiment, and you can create any of the agent with the Lamatic. So that's the thing. And yeah, you can connect with me any of the time in the LinkedIn as well. If whenever you can stuck in the any of the agent you need to make. So that's it from my end. Yeah, Harsh.
So yeah, thank you so much, Nikhil. The session was really amazing. I also got to know many more things in the Lamatic. So people also who are getting into like AI or just getting started with AI, who already have experience in full stack or any other technologies, they got to know about Lamatic, and it is very good beginner friendly session that you have done. Also, I got to know about like JavaScript developer also will get familiar with the Lamatic very easily. So yeah, thank you so much. The session was very nice. Uh, yeah, let me share my screen again.
Yeah, thank you.
So yeah, if you guys want to join our community on WhatsApp, so you can just scan this QR code and you will be get into our WhatsApp community and you will be updated on our upcoming events. If you have any question or like if you are facing any error or something, that you can ping us on anytime on the WhatsApp or LinkedIn. So yeah, you can just scan and join our community. We'll also share this community link in the YouTube comment section as well. So don't worry. So yeah, thank you everyone for joining. Before we wrap up the session, let me take some questions that we got in the comment section. So there are few questions that I can see. Ravi Rupareli asked us, what if we just uh, uh, write a tea shop, and will it take the context of Mumbai or and Borivali from the theatre history? So yeah, Nikhil, if you can answer Ravi's question.
Yeah, thanks, Ravi, for this question. Yeah, let's try what exactly AI do. Uh, if I can write a T SOAP only, right? So just sharing my screen. So basically, like if you write T SOAP, so as I write the hotel list only, so you can also get the related. You can also get the related the T SOAP list as well from the chat history. Yeah, am I audible? Hope you understood the answer. Yeah, anything else?
So yeah, also, I know about Lamatic and how it's work. So if Ravi you wants to like want to add an external database, you can connect any of your external database into Lamatic, and also you can use the RAG, which that will be a very useful if you have any context on RAG, or if you have any question on how you can build a RAG in the Lamatic. Let us know. We'll covering that also. Yeah. So one another question was from Sri Adhare. It is on what is LLM.
Yeah, so basically, like LLM works like if you guide any of the prompt, like you need to add any inputs. Am I audible? Hope I am audible. Yeah, just a minute.
So
Hello,
yeah,
am I audible?
about the question of Sri Adhare. Yeah, Nikhil is back now. You can continue.
Okay. Yeah, so is Sridhar, right? Yeah, three questions. So basically, you can just think about like your brain, right? So LLM is the brain, and your prompt is a instruction. So like basically, you need to any of the input. So LLM works like store the memories, and it will be doing a process. Then after you will get the execution. So that kind of the work, and LLM basically a language large model. You also know about it.
So yeah, if
Yeah.
anyone else have any question, you can put on the comment section. We'll wait for a few seconds. If you have any question, you can type in the chat section, and our speaker will be answering your question. So yeah, I guess there is no question in the chat section. We'll wait for one more minute if anyone have any questions. I guess no one have any questions, so we can wrap the session. Also, if you need any help on the Lamatic, you can connect Nikhil or Brijraj, who is the CTO of Lamatic, and also me on the LinkedIn. You just have to search Nikhil Bhutani, Harshmer, or Brijraj Singh. You will directly get to the LinkedIn profile. And you can contact us anytime if you need any help on the Lamatic. So thank you so much for joining everyone. So it's wrap. Yeah, thanks Nikhil.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, everyone, for joining today's session. Thank you.